Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting in Moultrie, Georgia, with some commentary for Tuesday. It's about 2:45 Eastern Time. Grain markets are up. Cotton market was down as we are sort of preparing and gearing up for the planting intentions that are coming out. And I think we put some guesses on this broadcast yesterday, so we really won't belabor those. The most interesting thing we gathered today that, I don't know that we really realize this, but these Midwestern boys tell us that even $9 beans are under their cost of production. And I assume that's because of the high priced land. I guess land down here in the South is, I don't know, $3,000 or $4,000 an acre, but land up there is $10,000 plus. So they really need, $12, $13 beans to make money. So just sort of interesting to me. So all that to say, we could see maybe less bean plantings on this intentions number that's coming out. So, but obviously we'll have to wait and see how that pans out. Over in the cotton today, still doggy, despite the fact that the dollar is down. Cotton was finished about 40 lower. Today, Mrs. Yellen, the Fed chairman, made some comments that suggested they might hold off on interest rates, sort of implied that. And that has broken the dollar pretty handily. The dollar's down 77 points. While gold is up $22. That's a contrary move on that. And normally with the dollar coming down, you'd see crude oil come up. But there's the thing holding crude oil down is the talk that Iran may not participate in this meeting in mid-April, and there may not be that much of a freeze. And we've come up here high enough at $40 oil. You're seeing some of the U.S. wells that have been capped are probably getting a little uncapped. And so the market's kind of back down on its hind parts simply on that. So as you look at everything, we've got some pretty good basis on corn. I suppose a fella could book corn with a good basis and then turn around and buy some kind of call option above it. Because if we were to have more corn acres and start off with a good crop, we would see the basis really narrow in because basis is just a function of expectation to us. And so that would be something to think about. As far as cotton's concerned, would be a gutsy call, but a fella might think about buying some December calls, thinking that if the LDP is represents something of a government put, so your downside's covered. If cotton goes to 40 cents by fall harvest, you'll get a big LDP. But if she were to run up to 62 or 63 cents by mid-season on a scare, you might be able to pick up a nickel that way. So that's something for a fella to take note of. But anyway, again, I'm sure tomorrow will be just as choppy as today as we wait and get those numbers out on Thursday. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call, of course, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.